Hi everybody, welcome to a new video in Microsoft Excel. To remind you quickly, this is part 2 of the chart. We already created the chart and formatted it from the last video, the part 1 of the chart, and we will learn more about the chart. In the last time, we changed the colors, we added some elements, and we learned how to add and remove elements, and we transferred the chart to a totally new sheet. Again, when you select the chart, you have two tabs, just to remind you, that can allow you to work on the chart. Also, besides the chart, you have some options. They are also important to work on the chart. You can find the same options that we learned before here in these options. For example, from this plus sign, you can add the axis title, and the chart title. Everything that has a check, it means that it exists. It is shown on the chart. Everything that is unchecked, it means that is hidden from the chart. You can add it by taking the checkbox, like the data label. Some of them have this tiny arrow to open more options. And these options we already saw last time, but from here, from add chart element, so they are the same. This is a quicker way to get the same options, the same setting for the chart. I will hide again the data labels. From here, you can work on the format for the chart, whether style or color. This is the color theme, or you can choose a different style. And we also saw these options here in the chart design. In Format tab, you can also work on the format. You can choose the area that you want to format instead of selecting it, like the chart title, and then you can click Format Selection. The Format pane will open on that selection that you choose from here. Like, for example, the chart title, you can see there is a fill color. Let's choose a solid fill color, and from here you can choose the color. You can choose any option, any part of the chart from here. Now the profit is selected, and then format selection, it will open the format selection for you. The options are different depending on the type of the chart. For example, here we have the sales by year data every year, and it's a sum of sales. I will select them, and now I will choose from the recommended chart. From here, I can see many recommendations. I want to choose the pie chart. So I can clearly see that 2014 has the highest sales. And for this pie chart, we have options that is similar but different to the column chart. We have also chart style. We have everything like the column chart. From add chart element, I can add data labels. So I can see the values of every portion of every slicer of the chart. Or I can choose none. From this part, we can also work on every series in the chart by double-clicking it. Format data series, if you can see, every series is selected. I want to stick to one of them, so I will double-click it. Click it one more time. So I will click it one more time. Now this series only is selected. I can change its color from the fill color. And from here, I can choose the color that I want. From here, series options, I can increase the exclusion of the selected series. By moving the slicer or by increasing and decreasing the points. We can also change the angle. We can do the same for every series. Click in the series, make sure that this series is only selected, not every series. And also we can change the point exclusion. We can change the color from the fill color. And that's it. So generally, the options are the same, but they are applied in different ways according to the chart type. As you can see, the chart is very easy, very simple. Just select the data, the correct data, and display it. And then insert the chart, and the chart will be created. And that's all for this video. Thank you, and I will see you next video.